this is how you turn on a propane burner. So first you have all the connections made and double check for leaks. Then you turn on your propane, which is red, and you start your flame. But you can see that this is like a really big flame, so you're gonna have to reduce it. But also you're gonna want it not just flying out, you're gonna want to like have it hotter. And you do that by increasing your oxygen. And here's what it looks like with the glasses on. You can see that there's different areas of the flame that are blue. So now that you've preheated your manual and your glass stick, you're gonna put both in the flame at the same time and make your beads. So as you're heating it, you wanna heat it in the outer part of the flame so it doesn't crack. And you can heat it up. It's gonna start to flow and drip onto your manual. And this is the part where it takes a little finesse. You're gonna have to like work with the glass hot. So as you can see, I'm kind of wrapping the glass around the mandrel. I'm letting it flow so that kind of makes like a spiral. I'm going to do this a couple of times to get enough glass on the mandrel to make a bead. So right now it kind of looks like a Saturn. And you can also see there's some like heat bubbles in there. So right about there, I'm going to flame cut the glass off. Put that over there. And now you can see this is what I've got so far. Bead's starting to look kind of like you want it to. It's looking like a bead. You can kind of move it back and forth in the flame to get the size you want. So there's a couple of things you can do once you get a bead like that. And this one's looking pretty good. You can put it in the kiln over here. And basically, that's going to keep it warm, and you're going to put it on a ramp up so that it'll anneal it. Because if you don't anneal glass, you might end up having with some extra stuff in it, extra cracks and whatnot. So once you've got this, there's some things that you can add to it. So what I'm going to do is heat this up, and then I'm going to roll it in some of this frit. So you can see the frit that I put on there. I'm gonna heat those in, and that's gonna add a layer of color to the bead.